Support provided by the Chesapeake and Newport News with chef-centric farm-to-table dining. thechesapeake.org.
Hi everyone, Jay Sinnott here. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay here in the Jazz Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. I was thinking about the barbecue season, the grilling season. And so I thought, one of the things I like to do, make my own rubs. I make 4, 5, 6 different rubs. So I thought I would make a rub for you today. And this is more or less my blackened rub, my blackened seasoning rub. The dominating ingredient in this blackened seasoning is smoked paprika. All right, I have a little bit of a pepper in there because I was dicing up my mango salsa. Look at that. Yummy. Some mango salsa. But in this rub, it's pretty simple stuff. Now, after you get all the ingredients in there, you taste it, and then you're probably going to have to just add a little bit of this, add a little bit of that, until you get it to your liking, okay? So I have a couple of tablespoons, about 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika here. All right, since that's the dominating season in here. Now, I have, I put all this over here so I can remember. I have some chili powder, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of some chili powder in there, okay? I have some black pepper mixed in there by accident, but salt and pepper, maybe a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, okay, right there. I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, this cardamom right here, and dry mustard, okay? So put those in there, cardamom, dry mustard, and garlic powder, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, okay? Garlic powder and onion powder in there. So now get a dry spoon and mix this up. Now it might be kind of salty, but it's not going to be as salty once you get it on the meat, okay? The way I'm looking at this, the way I see this, I'm going to have to add just a little bit more of the, where is it? Oh, it's over here. Oh, smoked paprika. I don't even know what to do with it. All right, there we go. Let's try a little bit better. Nice. Okay. Oh, there it is, right there. Like my grandmother said, it'd been a snake it'd bit you. Okay, so I can see the color. All right, so this is going to be just a tad salty. But you got some good seasonings in here. All right, now I wet the tip of my finger, put in a spoon, a little bit more. Oh man, wow. Yes, sir. I got that right the first time. Again, don't be alarmed if it tastes a little salty in the dish, okay? Because when you put it on the meat, it's not going to be as salty. So here, I have some chicken breast that I flattened, that I beat up. It's falling apart a little bit, okay? So what I'm going to do, put some of my rub on the chicken. Mix this in with the chicken well. It's a messy job, but it's okay. And the chicken. Now, I wanted to use it on tuna, but I couldn't find any good tuna today. All right, so I have these chicken breasts, nice and seasoned with my blackened seasoning. And then when you cook it, depending on how you cook it, if you want to grill it or pan cook it, it's going to smoke. So keep that in mind if you want to pan cook it in your house. You're going to get a lot of smoke over there. Okay, so wash off the hands here. All right, you have this chicken breast, the blackened seasoning, Jazzy J's blackened seasoning, and man, I was amazed because usually I have to touch it up a bit. Man, that's good. Okay, so again, you have to watch it to get all the seasonings that I put in here. Salt, black pepper, okay, of course, a little bit of cardamom, a little bit of dry mustard, okay, some garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of chili powder, I said cardamom, salt and pepper, and the main ingredient, smoked paprika, okay? And again, so I'm going to pan cook these chicken breasts. Actually, I may take it out of the grill. I don't know. I might take them out on the grill. But I'm going to let this seasoning, a little spicy, not too spicy, a little spicy, let the seasoning and the chicken just hang out together for a while before I start cooking it, okay? And then once I do cook it, I'm going to put this delicious mango salsa over these charred chicken breasts, right? And then I'm going to make some, probably some red smashed potatoes, right? Something like that. And then make a nice vegetable slaw salad. So that's my cooking with Jay today. Just show you how you can put together a rub. And then you can get all kind of different seasonings. And just test run. To give yourself a test run. Just test run, some spices, a little bit spice here, a little bit spice there. Dabble in it, taste it, and then you can make adjustments. Very easy with this stuff. I just happen to get it right for me, for my taste, the first time. And I don't think I've ever done that actually, the first time. So that's my menu today. I'm cooking with Jay, my Jazzy J blackened seasoning rub. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evening starting at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. If you can't tune in at 6, it stays up on the page, so you can just scroll down and check out the show. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, always feel free to email me to j.sennett, jae.sennett@whrv.org. I want to thank the Chesapeake for their magnificent underwriting support. Thank you so much. I want to thank you all for watching the show, and don't forget about my music programs. Hey, that's what I do for WHRV-FM. I host Send It in Session, the jazz show, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. And I also host and produce the R&B Chronicles. If you like classic soul music, check me out Friday nights from 7 until 8 on WHRV 89.5. Okay, friends, so I'm going to start cooking the potatoes. That's what I'm going to do. And until the next edition of Cooking with Jay, be safe out there, and we'll see you really soon. Take care.
Support provided by the Chesapeake in Newport News, catering to the palate of every single resident. More at thechesapeake.org.